Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello natural gas fans, looking at the daily, weekly, shorter term time frame. So after a big pullback, the bulls showing up today, forming a bullish reversal candlestick. We did reject from the daily middle Bollinger Band moving average resistance. So we need to see confirmation of this candlestick with a nice green day tomorrow, turning that middle Bollinger Band into support and looking to continue the higher low pattern that has been playing out the past 7 weeks. Weekly time frame has all moving averages as support. Each week that goes by, they get closer and closer to supporting the price. Need to keep an eye on this MACD. We've come close to a bearish cross a couple times. Each time the bulls are able to negate it and head to higher highs. So we have not a lot of weakness. I mean, you look at the 3 rejections from $3, and it definitely stands out as a key resistance level that the weekly chart is unable to close above currently. But in terms of the pattern and the moving average support, bulls still have this longer term pattern in control. And let's look at the shorter term time frames. So the hourly chart is trying to see some bounce, seeing very little follow through at this point. We need to break this lower high pattern, which is going to require a break of 2929 and then 2937 to be looking up at 2977. So the 4-hour chart is on the verge of a bullish MACD cross, and it actually just followed through. So same thing, not a ton of follow through for the price action yet. But if we look back and see the last few times that we've had bullish MACD crosses, we've had some really nice upside that time, some very short-term upside before continuation. You can see the higher low pattern played out with 2 bullish MACD crosses in there. And then we had a short-term little bullish bounce. We had a couple 4 hours of 4-hour green candlesticks after the last bullish MACD cross. So this does suggest that we're in for some follow-through, at least to start tomorrow. And again, the bulls want to close strong with a nice solid green day, confirming the bullish reversal. And I'm looking at resistance here, seeing some previous resistance at this 295 level, and then it acted as support twice. So we'll see if this 295 level is going to act as resistance. Bulls need to get back over that level and try and turn around this clear lower high pattern of consolidation that we saw to end last week. So overall trend, hard to say much against the bulls other than they're struggling at $3. They have all the time in the world to turn that level into support, and obviously that's an exaggeration, but on the overall trend, we could pull all the way back to the middle Bollinger Band of 275, still maintain higher lows, and still be looking good on the weekly time frame. So once we broke that $3 level on the daily, that's when I was convinced that natural gas is going to have a nice bullish winter, and we're going to see if we can get that $3 level as support on the weekly time frame now, and be looking for another 10% move to the upside towards the 200-week moving average resistance of 331. Which isn't showing on this chart, but you can use your imagination. It's right up there. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow, see if we get that green follow-through day. Have a great night.